So how are you, everyone? Yeah, I'm also doing great. So I'm gonna ask you some questions and everyone has to answer me. First of all, please you tell me, what's this?
This is a bird.
Wow, this is a?
Bird.
Okay, then if I ask you, how many birds are there? Tell me again, please, everyone. How many? Listen. First of all, you have to listen to me. Then I'll give you time to answer. Okay? Okay. এবং আমাদের ক্লাসটি পুরোটাই রেকর্ড হচ্ছে, যে দুষ্টামি করছো ওখানে উঠে যাবে। Okay? So please, how many birds are there? Answer me again, please. How many birds are there? It will be actually there is. Tell me, there is only a bird. Okay, please answer me again, please. How many birds are there? Okay, that's perfect. Then you tell me, please, what's this? This is a? So, how many laptops are there in our classroom? One হলো কি there are হয় নাকি there is হয়? There is. So, how many laptops are there in our classroom? সবাই একসাথে বলবে, চুপ করে থাকলে তো হবে না। প্লিজ, ওই যে ক্লাস রেকর্ড হচ্ছে না। Okay, so please, how many laptops are there in our classroom? Not there are, it will be actually there is. কি হবে? আবার please, how many laptops are there in our classroom? এই সবগুলো হচ্ছে ভূতের ডিম। আমি 3 দিন ধরে এই লেসনটা পড়াচ্ছি এই পিচ্চি বাহিনীদেরকে। তারা সবসময় দেয়ার ইজ বলে না, সবসময় বলবে কি দেয়ার আর। আমি শিখাচ্ছি দেয়ার ইজ, কিন্তু তারা বলে দেয়ার আর। আমি বুঝি না কেন। আজকে 3 দিন সেম লেসনটা নিয়ে কথা বলছি আমি, যে আমাদের অডিয়েন্সরা জানো আমরা কত কষ্ট করে তোমাদেরকে পড়াই এবং তোমরা কত দুষ্টু সেটাও সবাই দেখবে। এই যে কথা বলছে, কথা বলা বন্ধ করেন আপনি একটু প্লিজ, ঠিক আছে? হাতটা এদিকে নিয়ে আসেন, ব্যথা পাবেন না হয়, এদিকে নিয়ে আসেন। আপনি একটু কথা বলবেন না বাবা, ঠিক আছে? গুড বয়রা কথা বলে না, গুড বয়রা গুড স্টুডেন্টরা স্যারকে শোনে। স্যার কষ্ট করে পড়াচ্ছে, তুমি শুনবে, তাই না? তোমাদেরকে কত কষ্ট করে নিয়ে আসছে। আমাদের এই মেয়ে সে রামু থেকে আসে, কত দূর থেকে চলে আসে, অনেক দূর থেকে চলে আসে, ঠিক আছে? তোমার বাবা অফিস না করে, কাজ না করে তোমাকে নিয়ে চলে এসেছে এখানে। কেন বলো তো? কেন? তুমি যেন কিছু শিখতে পারো, এই যে কথা বলছে। সবসময় এমনই থাকে। ওই যে আমাদের ক্লাস রেকর্ড হচ্ছে বলেছি, শুধু তোমাদের জন্য রেকর্ড দিয়েছি, তোমাদের দুষ্টামিগুলো যেন সবাই দেখে। সবাই আমাকে যদি অ্যাটেনটিভলি যদি শোনো, তাহলে তুমি আনসার করতে পারবে ইজিলি। আমি একদম ইজিয়েস্ট ওয়েতে তোমাদেরকে শেখাচ্ছি, দেখো। সো টেল মি প্লিজ again, what's this? This is a? So how many laptops are there in our classroom? Okay, একটা গুড বয় আছে, আয়ান। So there is only a laptop. So then tell me please, what's this? What's this? What's this? How many whiteboards are there in our classroom? Yeah, there is only one. Or we can also tell there is only a whiteboard. Tell me, there is only a? Okay, next please. You tell me please, what's this? This is a? How many doors are there in our classroom? Okay, then tell me, what's this? Who can tell me what's this? Yeah, of course, please, but everyone has to answer me, please. What's this? What's this? This is a? Curtain. This is a curtain. This is a curtain. Okay, then please, what's this? What's this? So what's the color of the chair? Exactly, this is white in color. This is white in color. Okay, thank you very much. So next one please, everyone has to tell me right now, what's this? What's this? So how many pens are there in my hand? Is it laptop? There is one pen. Tell me, how many pens are there in my hand? There is There is one pen.
There is one pen.
ভূতের ডিম।
There is one pen.
There is one. Okay, so what's the color of the pen? Who can tell me? Oh, this is pink in color. Okay, this is.
Pink in color.
Then tell me, what's this? Actually, what's this? Someone is knocking the door. So let me see. Okay, who is there? Why are you late? Come, please. Just wait. Say salam, please. Give salam loudly. Walaikum assalam and take permission, please. Yes, come in.
No comment, no comment.
Thank you, take bolbe. Oh, come in, please. Okay, so okay, please. Next. So, what's this? This is a. Okay, so how many televisions are there in our classroom? Exactly. Then please tell me, what is this? Try again, please, everyone. What's this? This is a bird. Tell me, please. Follow me and tell me by copying my tone, please. This is a bird. Try again, please. What's this? Everyone has to answer me together, please. What's this? Where is your answer, please? What's this? সবাই চুপ করে আছে। এটাই কষ্ট লাগে। কত কষ্ট করে পড়ে, দুইজন বলে চারজন চুপ করে থাকে, আবার ওই চারজন বললো এদিকে ছয়জন চুপ করে থাকে। So disgusting, so boring. What's this? আপনারা কি চুপ করে থাকবেন নাকি আমি আপনাদেরকে আম্মুর কাছে পাঠিয়ে দিব? এবার আমি একটু অ্যানাউন্সমেন্ট দিই, যে চুপ করে থাকবে এরপর তাকে আমি মাস্ট বি ক্লাস থেকে বের করে আম্মুর কাছে পাঠিয়ে দিব। ঠিক আছে? ঠিক আছে কিনা? Yes বলেন?
Yes.
So, what's this?
This is a bird.
What's this?
This is a bird.
What's this?
This is a bird.
চলেন আম্মুর কাছে চলেন। আসেন। What's this?
This is a bird.
How many birds are there?
Only one bird.
There is only a
There is only a
bird. Then, what's this?
This is a flower.
This is a.
Flower.
Then, if I ask you how many flowers are there, then how to answer?
There are one.
How many flowers? Count this. Wait.
Four flowers.
Yeah. Tell me how many flowers?
There are four flowers.
There are four.
Flowers.
Show me your fingers. There are four flowers.
There are four flowers.
Show me your fingers, please. There are four flowers.
There are four flowers.
Show me your fingers, please. There are four flowers. There are four flowers. You can count, please. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are four flowers. Everyone has to answer me together, please. There are four flowers. Then, what is this? Then, how many balls are there?
There are three balls.
Are there three balls? Exactly. 1, 2, 3. Tell me. 1, 2.
Three.
Very nice. So, please tell me. There are three balls.
There are three balls.
Do you have ball?
Yes, there are balls.
Do you have ball?
Yes.
Do you have ball? That means তোমার কি ball আছে? Okay. Yes, I have ball. Yes, I have ball. Hello, Mr. Innocent. Please tell me. There is a ball. There are three balls. There are three balls. Then please, what's this? So, how many curves are there? Show me. You have to show your fingers, please. There are two cars. Then tell me, please. Yeah, what are these? আচ্ছা, এখানে কি কলম একটি আছে নাকি দুইটি আছে একসাথে? দুইটি থাকলে আমরা this is বলতে পারবো না, আমাদের কি বলতে হবে? No, these are. তোমাদেরকে আমি গত ক্লাসে বলেছিলাম একটির চেয়ে বেশি থাকলে টেনে বলার জন্য। These are. There are 6 pens. No, there are 8 pens. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. However, no problem. Listen. These are pens.
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 These are
These are
pens.
pens.
These are pens.
There are 8 pens.
There are 8 pens.
These are dogs.
These are dogs.
Cats মনে হয় cats.
Dogs.
Cats.
Dogs.
Are these cats?
There are
Listen.
still
Listen.
dogs.
Are these cats? No. Tell me no.
No.
These are dogs.
These are dogs.
Tell me.
D-O-G.
Are these cats? No. So these are
No.
these are
No.
these are
No.
very nice. So these are pencils. Tell me. এবার একটা আমার সাথে সবাই বলা যাবে তারপর আমরা ক্লাস শেষ করব ঠিক আছে? This is a bird.
This is a bird.
This is a flower.
This is a flower.
This is a ball.
This is a ball.
Down your voice, please. Put down your voice, please. Put down your voice. Okay, please. Then this is a car.
This is a car.
This is also a flower.
This is also a flower.
This is also a ball.
This is also a ball.
This is also a flower.
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 This is also a car.
This is also a car.
এবার দুইটি যা আছে তা আমরা বলবো these are. Tell me, these are pens.
These are pens.
These are dogs.
These are dogs.
These are pencils.
These are pencils.
কিভাবে দেখো, this is a ball. This is a book.
This is a book.
This is a book.
This is a book.
These are books.
These are books.
These are also books.
These are also books.
What's this?
This is a watermelon.
Do you like watermelon?
Yes.
Do you know it's my favorite fruit. I like it very much. Watermelon is my favorite fruit. I like it. What's your favorite fruit? Yeah, what's your favorite fruit?
My favorite is the mango.
Oh, that means his favorite fruit is mango. I also like mango, but this is watermelon. Tell me, what's this? Tell me, please. Yeah, this is. Put down your voice, please. Then tell me how many watermelons are there. Do you know what's this? Do you know what's this? This is a. So what's this? What's this? Exactly. This is a. What's this? This is a airplane. We can also tell airplane. What's this? What's this? Do you know what's our national flower? What's our national flower? পানির ভিতরে থাকে যেটা আর কি, এটা আর কি পানির ভিতরে যেটা থাকে না, পানির ভিতর না পানির উপরে থাকে। Okay, ঠিক আছে। So this is listen, this is called actually water lily. Tell me, water lily. Lily থাকে কোথায়? Water থাকে না? So tell me, water lily. And this is our national flower. Tell me, water lily. One student, ওরে বাবা কি সুন্দর ভাবে ঘুমাচ্ছে। ঘুমান আপনি, ঠিক আছে? ঘুমান। বলেন আপনি, water lily. Water lily. Water lily. Water lily. Water lily. এবার সবাই একসাথে water lily. Hey, don't touch me. Have a seat, please. Water lily. Tell me, water lily. Listen. Is it water lily? Is it water lily? This is water lily. Dahlia flower, water lily. Dahlia, water lily. I'm so tired. I want to take break. Clap everyone, please. Clap everyone. Please everyone, clap everyone. Clap. Thank you.